Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In today's video we are making 3 cheese lasagna recipe. It's very simple and delicious and also full of flavor. So I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and also share. And I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. So please don't go anywhere and let's get started. You can have this tasty, delicious, cheesy lasagna for lunch and also for dinner. And also comment down below what you think about this recipe. To a saucepan, add any oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil or any oil of your choice. To it, add chopped onions. I'm using 2 large chopped onions. I like adding a lot of onions in my cooking, but you can also use any. To it, I'll add ground beef or minced beef. I'll go ahead and stir and break into pieces. Next, I will add a tablespoon of ground peppercorns. I'll also add some chopped carrots. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Next, I will add marinara sauce. So I'm going to let it simmer on a medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'll add some chili powder, mixed spices, and a pinch of salt. And I'll allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. Next, I will add fresh chopped coriander. You can also use parsley for flavor. So at this point, it's well cooked. Now I'm going to set it aside and we'll continue with the rest. In a mixing bowl, add cottage cheese and smooth ricotta cheese. I'll also add 1 room temperature egg. I'll mix well to combine. Also add the rest of the coriander. So I'm going to mix it well and set it aside. You can also add some mozzarella cheese at this point. So I have here lasagna sheets that I'm going to soak in water for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften. And remember, this sheet is a bit hard. You can boil it in the water for about 5 minutes or in a lukewarm water, soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So at this point, everything is done and ready. I'm now going to go ahead and layer them nicely in a baking dish. To a baking dish, I'll start by spreading the meat sauce. Next, I will add the lasagna sheets. And to it, I'll spread the meat sauce. I'll now spread some mozzarella cheese. And also the cheese sauce. So I'm going to layer it until it's all done. And as I'm doing this, I've preheated the oven to about 350 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to bake it in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And at this point, it's now ready to be baked. So I'm going to cover it with cling foil. And at this point, our maize beef cheesy lasagna is all done and ready to be served. This is looking so nice and tasty and full of flavor. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you give it a try. It's very nice and tasty and also full of flavor. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this recipe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.